Good evening. How to generate an exam using the Blended platform, for example online exam. Click on the teacher's subject. Then select Exams. Next, choose Add Exam. First, we add a title for the exam. For example, Math exam. Then, we select the exam style, which has two optional styles. 1. Classic exam. Show all questions at once. 2. Exam cards. Show question by question. Next, we provide a description for the exam. Here, we can attach files, such as instructions or notes that will be read before the start of the exam. Now, let's move to an important choice here. Options. Here, we mark the questions from the platform's question bank. The question bank supports subjects English, Math, and Science from grades 1 to 6. Then we come to the section 4, Correct Answers, where we have 3 choices to make. First, don't show the correct answer. Second, show the correct answers and grades after submissions. Third, show the correct answers and grades after the deadline date. Next, we select the publish date, which is the start date of the exam on the Blended for students. Then, we choose the deadline date, which is the end date of the exam on the Blended. Then we move on to an important section. Questions. First, we choose New Section and give it a name, for example, Math. Then, we click on Add Section. Here, we have 2 options. New question, when we want to write a question of our choice. Find questions, and this step takes us to the question bank. In the question bank, we find American Question Bank for Math, specific to grade 1. We can choose any question we want from the question bank. For example, here, counting and number patterns. We select the first and second questions, for instance. From here, we select, for example, the first question and the second and third questions. Once we've finished selecting the questions, we click on Add Selected Questions. At this point, we assign grades to each question. For example, the first question is worth 6 points, the second question is worth 5 points, and the third, fourth, and fifth questions are each worth 3 points. Then, we click on Save Exam here. We can see the total points for the questions in this exam. From here, we select Publishing Options. First, we choose Classes. Then, we select the specific class for which the exam is intended. Or it can be for all classes, such as A and B. When choosing Students, you can select a single student, 2 students, or more, depending on your preference to take the exam. In the end, we click on Save Exam, and upon clicking, it will publish the exam to the students directly at the specified time. Good luck and thanks for watching.